afternoon, everybody. Car Biker here. Still on my ride with Steve and Dave on one of my favourite bits of road. The road from Hawes down to Ribblehead. And hoping to show you the Ribblehead Viaduct and get the drone up again. And the weather is absolutely beautiful now. It's cold this morning. It warmed up. If anything, it's too hot now. I'm going to have to start shedding clothes soon. Not too many of them though, maybe just the jumper. I thought I'd bring you and show you Ribblehead Viaduct, which should be coming to view for you soon. It certainly is for me already. It's the longest and tallest structure on the Carlisle to Settle Railway, and it's a pretty impressive thing. We're going to park up at the edge a little bit further down and walk over to the viaduct itself, which hopefully the camera's picking up nicely for you now, and then we'll get the drone up in the air and see what we can see. I won't do too much talking on this one. I might do some voiceover over the drone footage, but the drone is where the prettiness will be. This might be the closest I'm going to get to park. That was a nice second flight of the day. Not sure how good the footage will be, but hope you enjoyed it anyway. Thanks for watching, everyone. Ride safe, and I'll talk to you all again soon.